Good day, dear ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alibayeva Arjan. I transform students to secondary school named after Shukhanwali Khan. A surprise is my English learner teacher Tokabayeva Ainur. History of professionals. I choose professional independent. I want to tell you the history of the professional. Independent of the oldest professional in the world. Independent has been in exciting ever since man. As you said, the spoken right. The first written proof in independent dates back to thousands before Christ, at which time as the ancient European had a history of saying independent. The next widely known essay of independent occurred in the actual Greece and Rome. This independent was the Mexican desert and savage coaches of the Crusaders. Why did choose these professionals? Choosing a profession is a really important step in the life of grown-up person. Why did I choose this professional? Choosing professional is a really important step in the life of every grown-up person. The choice will influence every single day of our future life, so I shall pay it enough attention and make it right. As for me, since my childhood, I've known I want to be independent. My choice is closely connected with the impotence for following leisure and cultures which is grown knowledge. It's the official leisures in a vast number of countries. Besides, it's the leisure of independent aviation, sports, medicine, the leisure of science, of technology, trade, culture, and business, real estate. Knowledge often for leisure without doubt grows leisure set and faster. Knowledge often for 14 leisure without grows higher, and faster. Promotional track translators office has been believed to be one of the most present and needed professionals since ancient times. Pros and cons of the professional. There are big demand of the pros since there are a lot of room for growth. There are learners, the more potential you'll have. You improve your learner skills to flexibility. Cons, there are and room for error. The pilot can be competent. It can be a lonely job. Related professionals. Teacher, tourist, officer, managers. There are many kinds of independent. They are technical independent, medical independent, guide independent, military independent, simultaneous independent. Interpreters. I am quite aware that job of an independent is an easy one. It is a great challenge to be an independent. You have to be very communicative and responsible, express and will quite good. Moreover, be forced to work long hours and more around lot. Unfortunately, sometimes independents are treated as service staff. It is connected with the limited mind of the people that are not able to understand. This translate from one genre into another is a hard work. Taking everything into the consideration, I'd like to point that regards to negative sides of the professionals in the independent. The possible moments outside here, one more important fact in the maintenance his professional prowess, performance prowess, is many leisure. It's many